Right, so I have an answer from Oviniduwa, Nitaraduwa, Oneliduwa. All of y'all say 1.15. All right, okay. Yes, children, your answer is correct. Right, 1.15. So children, if anyone wants me to explain it, let me know. Right, if not, I will gloss over it because we're short on time. If anyone didn't get this answer and you all want me to explain it, let me know. I'll explain it. But the distance for x is the length of x is 1.15. That is correct. Right, for part A1. Children, anybody got anything else? Let me know. Okay, so seems like there are no questions. Children, if you have any questions, please ask. It's okay even if we have finished discussing that part, I will explain it again, right? So let me know. Yes, children, part B, what are your answers? What did you get for Y? Good, good. So all the answers I'm seeing are correct so far. Yes, children, the answer is 5.07. Anybody got different answers? Or anybody didn't get this right? If there's anyone who wants me to explain it, let me know. Is there anyone who would like me to explain it? No? Okay. All right. Seems everyone has got the right answer. Children, let's go to part B. Part B1. What is the angle theta? Part B1. What is the angle theta? Yes. Yes. Correct. Very good, children. Right. Yes, so thyroid you can fit. That's okay though. Now we spend some extra time also discussing bearings, right? Yes. So children, the angle 60 is correct, right? It's the correct answer. Good. Good. Anybody got anything else? Any other angles other than 60? No. Okay. Good. Children, part B2. What is the angle? Yes. Good. 32.74 degrees. That is the correct answer. Right? That is the correct answer. Very good. Good. Okay. So children, all of you all have got the right answers for question number 1. Right. We'll go to question 2. I'll draw a rough sketch of the diagram. So we have something like this. We have A, we have B, we have C. So a man is standing at A, I think. There's a mango tree at C, and north is obviously this way, right? Children, part A. Oh, okay, right. So straight away I have one child saying they want me to explain part 2A. Okay, so I will explain 2A. So children, can I know what the others got? What did you get for this distance AB? Yes, your answers are correct. Nitara's and Netni's answers are correct. Good, right? Let's have a look. So children, it says in the question that the man is standing at A on level ground, observes a mango tree at C, distance of 100 meters away. So let's first mark this as 100 meters. This AC is 100, right? Away on a bearing of 127, right? So that's that angle there. He also observes a coconut tree at point B, which is due south of point B. So the coconut tree is directly south, right? And to the west of point C. So that means, children, C is to the east of point B. So we know that this is going to be a right angle, right? Then children, we have to find this distance AB, right? We'll call it X. Children, to use trigonometry, we need to know an angle inside, right? So what I'll do is I will take this angle by 180 minus 127, right? So that gives me 53, I believe. Right? Yes, that's right. So Netmi is doing all the calculation for me. Thank you, Netmi. Right? So 53 is correct. Right? So we can use, we have the adjacent, which is x, and the hypotenuse, which is 100. Right? So we can use cos 53 is equal to x over 100. right? So therefore x is equal to 100 cos 53 degrees, and when you calculate this, you should get an answer 60.18. That is the answer. So they are asking, remember, to the nearest meter. So that to the nearest meter, children, the answer will be 60 meters, right? That's the answer. So Onelido, is that clear? Right? Do let me know. Yes. Okay, good. Children, part B1, what is the answer? Quickly, what is the answer to part B1? Children, send me your answers and just give me a minute. Excuse me for a second. Okay. All right, no problem. So yes, children, what is the answer to part B1? The bearing of the man from the coconut tree. What is the bearing, children? You didn't do this question. Children, from the coconut tree is at B. From the coconut tree, the man is straight north, isn't it? So what's the bearing? Bearing straight north is 0, 0, 0. Right? It's 0, 0, 0, children. Right? Because he's straight north, so the coconut tree is here. The man is here. If you're looking straight north, what's the bearing? Do you have to turn clockwise? No, you just look straight, he's there. Right? The bearing of the man from the coconut tree. Children, did you all get this answer? I didn't get the answer from anyone. Okay, so Senori says she got it. Children, is it clear? If it's not clear, let me know. If it's not clear, please let me know, children. Right? Okay. All right. So children, then part B2, it says the mango tree. So the bearing of the man from the mango tree. So that means, children, the mango tree is here. No? So from here, what is the bearing? Right? So to find it out, children, now we can first figure out this angle, right? Because the angles in a triangle have to add up to 180, right? So that means from this you can subtract and you will get, I believe, 37, right? So yes, this angle will be 37, children, right? From angles in a triangle. Then this angle, this is the north. The angle we need is this one. Okay, so what you can do is, if you like, you can find this small angle and you can find the rest, right? Or you know that for this angle is going to be 180 and then this angle is going to be 90. So you can add 180 and 90 and 37, right? So at the end of the day, the total angle that you're going to get, right, which is this one, is going to be 307 degrees. Children, did you get this answer? Children, did you get it? Yes, 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 yes. So okay, so I'll explain it again, right? So children, what I have done, let me clear all of this. It looks like a mess here. Okay, so children, the mango tree is over here, right? We want the bearing of the man from the mango tree, right? So that means you turn north and from north you turn clockwise until you're looking at the man from the mango tree, right? So you need to find this large angle. So we can break it up into parts. The first part, you can find this angle, that is going to be 37 from angles in a triangle, because 37 plus 53 plus 90 should add up to 180, right? From there you can find that 37. Also, if you extend this line south, this angle is going to be 180, straight angle, right? And also here you have a right angle, south to west. If you add 180 plus 90 plus 37, you will get 307 as your answer. Is that clear, Vinidhu? Children, is it clear? Right. What about the others? Children, quickly. We have one more question. Okay. All right. So if you have any questions, ask. Okay. Right, children. So the last question. So I don't know how many of you were able to do this. I think Senuli managed to do the question. Children, what is the answer that you got for the last one? If you all did it, can you send me the answer? The last question. Nitara got 1866 meters. Interesting answer. What about the others? Okay. Okay, so when you say she couldn't do that question, that's okay. Right? Children? Send me your answers, children. I'll draw it in the meantime. Yes, Vivek also sent almost the same answer. Right? Okay, so let's see. So children, they're saying the altitude of a plane is 500 meters, right? So I'm not going to draw the plane because I'm terrible at drawing, right? So the plane is up there. And the angle of elevation from the runway to the plane is 15 degrees. Find the horizontal distance from the airplane to the runway to the nearest meter, right? So that's what I have marked as X. So children, you can see this is a right angle triangle. The angle in focus is angle 15. So children, this is angle of elevation, right? But you can see that trigonometry applies here very, very easily, right? In this angle of elevation. So you have opposite is 500, adjacent is X, right? So children, we use the tan function because we know that tan theta is opposite over adjacent. So here we have tan 15, right? Opposite is 500 and the adjacent is X, right? Then children, we take X to this side, right? And then we can divide by tan 15. We get 500 over tan 15. You can just straight away enter this into your calculator and the answer. So children, I think you will get 1866.02, but they are asking to the nearest meter. So when you round it, children, to the nearest meter, the answer is going to be 1866 meters. So the plane is 1866 meters away from the runway. All right. Okay. So children, is that clear? Does anybody want me to explain any of the questions? Let me know. Children? All clear? Okay.